recently, sabi nila, implemented policy stating no birthday celebration shall be allowed until 12. Next day. O ito ngayon, this is to certify that due consideration based on beauty. This is to certify that with due consideration based on beauty, rice made this on is exempted from the rule. More birthdays naman, pero wish you more beauty, wish you more talent, and wish you love. Ano isa ang wish ko, ha? Sana maluto na yung fish ball.
Wala pa ako. Message ko muna bago ko kain.
Masya yung fish ball, no?
Happy birthday, Raisa! Welcome to your 20s! Nandito lang ako lagi for you as an ate. Kung mayroon kang kailangan, mag-umiya, i-approach ako. And ang wish ko sa'yo, I hope you get to explore and enjoy more of life. Enjoy your youth, enjoy your 20s, but do so responsibly. Happy birthday, Raisa!
Happy birthday, President! Gusto ko lang sabihin na you deserve everything that you have right now, and I hope you feel loved every day kasama mga friends mo, family mo. Happy birthday!
Happy Raisa!
President Pucci at sa lahat po na Ikulaga staff. At maraming salamat. Meron pong Rise natin!